hold up. Yeah! I'm gonna show you
My awesome tubers! Another Tool-a-Holic Tuesday. Today I've got a snap-on gauge for you, and I wanted to tell you, stick around to the end. I've got a Tuesday tidbit for you. Now I'm going to go ahead and zoom in on this so you can see it better. It measures from this surface to the edge of this notch here, and this AT54 is the same as a Kent Moore J5071. Here is a picture I found online of the Kent Moore J5071, and it shows here how it measures. Here's the snap-on AT54 shown in position on the transmission. This snap-on AT54 is a Servo Gage tool for dual-range hydromantic transmissions made from 1946 to 1966. And you know, I did see one place online that called this a throttle lever bending tool. So hey, I got to thinking about back in the day when I have had cars that you had to hold your foot on the gas pedal a little bit to keep it from dying at the stoplights. Well, maybe if I had this throttle lever bending tool, I could have adjusted that to keep the throttle pulled a little tighter. So who knows? If you do, leave a comment, let us know. Hey, thanks for sticking around for the Tuesday tidbit. You know, I seen the other day that a gal got pulled over, and when the cop was bringing her ticket, she says, "Why didn't think you gave tickets to pretty little girls?" And the cop says, "You're right, we don't. Sign here." And remember, do something nice for someone today. Love ya.